Peace fam, my name is Vonzel and I'm the creator of the online course, Box Truck Solutions Masterclass. Statistics say that if you want to be successful, the fastest, easiest way to learn is from somebody who's done it already. That would be me. Over the last 3 years, I've created a 6-figure box truck business with Amazon. I'm living proof. You don't need perfect credit, large amounts of cash, and you do not have to quit your job. All you need is a step-by-step blueprint to lead you straight to the lifestyle that you always wanted. To get access to my step-by-step blueprint, click the link in my bio and sign up for our free online webinar.